Namaskaram and welcome to all our amazing customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012. Now we have 17 stores all across South India. Beat the quality, the prices or the collection. We always give the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest PML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too. Ladies, let's have a look at my beautiful Kanchipattu sarees before starting with today's collection. So I'm wearing this gorgeous yellow color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have small floral buttees in gold zari and silver zari. On the border we have peacocks and elephants with cross lines and zigzag lines in gold zari. The work looks very royal, very rich on the yellow color body. Our beautiful pallu has cross lines and strips in gold zari, and then we again have peacocks and floral buttees with elephants in boxes. There's a lovely self blouse for this gorgeous yellow color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Before moving on to today's collection, let me show my beautiful jewellery, which is by Manjula Jewellers based in Banjara Hills. They are our jewellery partner. Please do check out their amazing collections. So dear customers, today's episode is going to be about very gorgeous, very fancy, lovely sarees. These sarees are perfect for party wear. We at Varamahalakshmi Silks don't just have traditional Kanchipattu sarees. We also have beautiful, very gorgeous fancy sarees too. So let me show you the first one now. Let's have a look at this beautiful blush pink color fancy saree. Moving on to its body. The body has beautiful jal over it and it's in sequence work. So it's adding a beautiful glitter, beautiful sparkle to your saree, making it very party wear, very lovely. On the body, we also have these digitally printed florals in very bright color, adding a lovely pop of color to your blush pink color saree. Our border has beautiful crochet work done, giving it a very fresh look, very young look. And we have beautiful running style pallu for this saree. Let's have a look at the self blouse for this beautiful fancy saree, and to place an order for this blush pink color saree, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter in which part of the world you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. And cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here we have another beautiful fancy saree in a very refreshing sea green color. Let me show you the body. On the body of this one, we have curvy checks in gold zari, and inside them we have these small floral buttees, which are done with gota work and a small pearl in between, adding a beautiful glow to your saree. Our border has diamonds in gold zari, and then we have florals in gota work with pearls in them. There's a running style pallu for this beautiful saree with hanging tassels in gold color, adding a lovely shine to your saree. And here is the beautiful self blouse for your beautiful saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, the weaver's prices are valid for only limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Let's have a look at this beautiful saree in fancy, which one is in beige and burnt cyan color. Let me show you the body of this one. On the body, we have printed florals, and then we have this florals and leaf jal in thread work, making the saree very gorgeous, very lightweight and beautiful. The border, which is in a dark shade of orange, has florals and leaf jal in thread work, and the work is very subtle, it's very beautiful too. We have a running style pallu for this saree, which has a crochet border to it. Here's the gorgeous and contrasting blouse for this beige color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back, watch it again, share it to their friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here I have a very pretty powder blue color fancy saree for you. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have a curvy pattern in checks with thread work, and then we have these sequins added to it, making them even more prominent and lovely. On the body, we have birds perched over branches, digitally printed in lovely colors, very beautiful design. Here's the border, which has silver zari zigzag lines over it. Very subtle work is there, but it's very beautiful and elegant. We have a very simple and elegant running style pallu for this one with colorful tassels. Let's have a look at this beautiful silk blouse for the very elegant sari. And to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop for our beautiful lovely saris by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box below. These links will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com, and there you can add this sari and many more such beautiful saris to your cart and place the order right away. Here I have a very festive sari in mustard and navy blue color just for you. Let me show you the body. On the body we have cross lines in thread work, and then we have sequins in gold color, which are adding a beautiful bling, a beautiful sparkle to your lovely mustard sari. Here's a lovely border which is in navy blue color and which has florals and leaves all over it in gold zari. The florals are in pink color. We have yellow color florals, very lovely work on your navy blue color border. We have a very simple but very elegant and beautiful running style pallu for this mustard color sari. And here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in navy blue color which has floral booties all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we have some amazing offers for you right now just for the Diwali season. When you shop between 30 October and 2nd of November and you shop above 10,000 rupees, you get gift vouchers worth 5,000 rupees. And when you shop above 20,000 rupees, you get gift vouchers worth 10,000 rupees. These vouchers will be delivered to you within 3 days of a successful delivery of the saris that you place an order for. So please, to avail to these amazing offers, you need to buy more and more only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here we have a very beautiful and very contemporary style fancy sari for you. On the body of this one, we have strips. We have powder blue and we have sky blue color strips all over the body. The border for this one has beautiful florals and leaves in white color thread work, and then there is added zari work in silver zari, which is adding a beautiful bling to your border. There's a beautiful running style pallu for this very elegant sari. And here is the beautiful gorgeous contrasting blouse in white color for this blue color sari. We have thread work florals and leaf jal with added silver zari detailing, making it even more lovely and elegant. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we have amazing offers and exclusive collections just for you. We also have lives daily at 4 PM and 9 PM. Please stay tuned to them to make sure you're watching amazing episodes of saris with exclusive offers that are weavers' prices. Dear customers, cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad and we provide global courier service. The weavers' prices are valid for limited amount of time. You need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Dear customers, right now we have an exclusive offer just going on for you. So when you shop between 30 October and 2nd of November and you shop above 10,000 rupees, you get gift vouchers worth 5,000 rupees. And when you shop above 20,000 rupees, you get gift vouchers for 10,000 rupees. These vouchers will be delivered to you within 3 days of successful delivery of the saris that you placed an order for. To avail to these offers, please shop more and more only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Dear customers, my beautiful jewelry is by Manjula Jewellers based in Banjara Hills. Please do check out their amazing collection. Dear lovely ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about beautiful fancy saris. These saris were so gorgeous in different design, in different work style, and you can place the order for them right away to avail to the weavers' prices. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.